Here's some Stravinsky's Rite trivia. Subscribe. What city hosted the premiere of this ballet? Is it A, New York, B, Berlin, C, Paris, or D, Tokyo? The correct answer is C, Paris. Which famous artist designed the original costumes? Is it A, Jackson Pollock, B, Nicholas Roerich, C, Claude Monet, or D, Pablo Picasso? The correct answer is B, Nicholas Roerich. Who conducted the premiere performance? Is it A, George Balanchine, B, Anna Pavlova, C, Václav Nijinsky, or D, Igor Stravinsky? The correct answer is C, Václav Nijinsky. Which other genre heavily influenced Stravinsky's work? Is it A, hip-hop, B, blues, C, electronic, or D, folk music? The correct answer is D, folk music. What is the duration of the ballet? Is it A, 15 minutes, B, 40 minutes, C, 60 minutes, or D, about 35 minutes? The correct answer is D, about 35 minutes. What influenced Stravinsky to compose this ballet? Is it A, European folklore, B, classical literature, C, Russian politics, or D, ancient mythology? The correct answer is A, European folklore. What is the primary structure of the composition? Is it A, 3 components, B, variable state, C, single entity, or D, 2 parts? The correct answer is D, 2 parts. What rhythmic style is prominent in the score? Is it A, polyrhythms, B, arpeggios, C, cadence, or D, ostinato? The correct answer is A, polyrhythms. What significant event is depicted in the ballet? Is it A, ritualistic sacrifice, B, dream sequence, C, royal coronation, or D, festive celebration? The correct answer is A, ritualistic sacrifice. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.